What I'm doing now is get ready to do some blackened salmon. So I have some blackened salmon. It's blackened redfish magic is what they call it, but I use it for my salmon, and I add a little of my own spices in there. So now I'm going to put it in the skillet, which is burning right now. I have put some olive oil in the skillet, so I'll put it on there now. So my skillet is piping hot. I'm going to lay the salmon on there and let it burn real fast. So the salmon is on there, and I'm going to put some seasoning on the other side. And I usually watch the edges of the salmon to make sure that I can see the change in the color right on the side. That lets me know that it's almost done, and I can flip it over. The color is changing around the edge, so I'm going to turn this salmon over. Woo, look at that. Woo, look at that. Oh yeah, that looks great. Oh yeah, looks great. Blackened salmon is what we're having with our other food. I have some lima beans that I have seasoned already, and we're going to have some broccoli to go with this. The broccoli is in the pot, and then we're going to put all of this on the plate in a few minutes. Yes, I've used black pepper, garlic, a little bit of salt in the lima beans, and some Smart Balance. I use Smart Balance in a lot of the foods that I make or that I cook. The blackened fish is completed, and this is how it looks. I've cooked all 4 pieces, and it did not take very long. This is one of the fastest, most delicious dishes you can fix for yourself, and it is so good for your body. So this is my meal for today. I have completed the blackened salmon. We have lima beans and broccoli. So we're going to chow down. These are the spices and seasonings I used to prepare the meal you just saw in this video. For the blackened sockeye salmon, I did use the magic seasoning blend, blackened redfish magic, with a little bit of salt to help blend the seasonings. For the broccoli, I put some Smart Balance, black pepper, and a bit of salt. For the lima beans, what I used was the garlic, which is here, the Smart Balance, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. So I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I do hope that you will try this because the salmon was so juicy and tasty, and all of the food was very delicious. So put your hand in the pot and get it moving. Enjoy, and continue to come back and see these videos that I am preparing for your health. This is Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. Yeah, we are cheering you on because you're doing something for your body. We are saying sweat because you're sweating to improve the condition of your body, getting healthier. And cheers, we continue to cheer you because you are doing something to make a change for the better for your health. God bless. Come back again. Please subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you.